Korea Tourism Organization hosted a two-day tourism festival in Mumbai.
작년 한 해 인도에서 한국으로 관광 오신
Last year record, we can see the India to Korea. India to Korea was 1,20,000 tourists been to Korea. From Korea to India was 1,50,000.
It's an amalgamation of cultural activities basically to enhance the overall awareness about Korea in the Western India market.
According to a study on the travel trends of ultra-high net worth individuals by Knight Frank, Mumbai has more private jet departures than Dubai and Tokyo. After many months of runway repairs, Chandigarh International Airport will now be operational around the clock. Evolve back luxury resorts to open 3 new properties.
Currently we have 3 properties. We have 3 more hopefully that should come up over the next 2 to 3 years. The first one is, we've entered into a joint agreement with the government of Madhya Pradesh in a beautiful heritage site called Mandu. The second one, which is going to come up, is our first venture outside of India. It's a 30,000 acre private game reserve in the central, very close to the Central Kalahari Game Reserve in Botswana in Africa. So we are very excited about that. And the third one is in our very own Karnataka, which is a beach destination. It's a very quiet beach. It's in the district of Karwar in Karnataka.